Jamaicans are poorer than they were 2 years ago, with 10% living in extreme poverty. Some can't even buy food to eat as they're unable to get a stable job because of little education. This evening, TVJ's Shamela Mitchell explores the issue of the poverty line in Jamaica and what can be done to reduce the poverty rate.
Persistent poverty. Despite efforts by consecutive governments, the poverty rate remains high, even increasing in recent times. In 2014, the poverty rate was 20%. However, in 2016, it went up to 21.1%. That's a 1% increase over a 2-year period. 10.5% of the population is living in extreme poverty, meaning not even food they can afford. Matilda Edmondson from Johnstown, St. Thomas is one of thousands of Jamaicans below the poverty line. Miss Edmondson lives in this one-bedroom house with 2 adults and 6 children. The conditions here are horrible. The sleeping arrangement is less than ideal for a family of 9 with only 2 beds. Some definitely have to be sleeping on the floor.
And the children, them have to sleep on the floor on a mattress.
The 6 children are Miss Edmondson's grandchildren.
When she start have children, she give me them. So that is the reason why I end up with all of them.
And that's your daughter?
No, daughter-in-law.
Okay, so where's the son?
Tell the truth, I can't tell. Running get deported from foreign, I don't know where he is.
The eldest grandchild is 9 and the youngest 1-year-old. 4 of the 6 are in school and it's very difficult for Miss Edmondson. The principal at the school where the grandchildren attend oftentimes help Miss Edmondson with their lunches.
The children, I don't really have any help for them. Sometimes I don't have the breakfast to give them to them.
Miss Edmondson told us that she used to work as a domestic helper. However, she stopped mainly because of the children.
Me can't go out, go look work. Because if I go look work, I don't have anyone to leave them with.
Wilton Lewis is Miss Edmondson's common-law husband. They have been together for 9 years, just about the same age as the eldest grandchild. Since Miss Edmondson stopped working, Mr. Lewis became the sole breadwinner. However, he too has fallen on hard times. This has made it even more difficult for the family of 9.
I burn a little corn on again, but it's the machete I have to use and give me a pain in the shoulder.
Now they have to turn to Miss Edmondson's middle child, Stephen White. Stephen says he has 2 children and his mother cares for them. However, he explained that it's not a lack of ambition, but rather the absence of opportunity why they are in this situation.
Nothing cannot process we also cause the whole of we mostly leave school and we don't have a trade, we don't have a skill, so knowledge, we can't get fair of the money like that, so.
But Stephen continues to do what he can to assist the family.
Maria's goat. I try to do something.
Poverty is not peculiar to St. Thomas, but it's an island-wide problem. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.